Okay, so we have to multiply the given fraction, and I was telling you that multiplication is simpler than addition and subtraction. Because student, the reason is that in multiplication we don't have to take the LCM of the denominator. What we used to do in addition and subtraction, if the fractions were unlike, then we used to have LCM of the denominators if the fractions are unlike. But here in multiplication, there is not the case. There is not such case. We don't have to take the LCM in any situation. Fine. So now let us start the first question. First question, first part says simplify 3 upon 7 multiply 2 upon 5. What you have to do, just first check if you can reduce any number in cross. Can you reduce 3 by 5? No. Can you reduce 7 by 2? No. So we cannot reduce any number in cross. So just multiply 3 2s are 6 and 7 5s are 35. So 6 upon 35. This is your answer. Okay. Second question. 4 upon 9 into 3 upon 5. Now you can see 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So this is what? 4 into 1 upon 3 into 5. So 4 upon 15. This is the answer. Next, 5 upon 12 multiply by 8. Okay, 5 upon 12 multiply by 8. So there is nothing in the denominator of 8. So we will take 1 here. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Okay. So finally 5 into 2 and 3 into 1. In the denominator 5 2s are 10 and 3 1s are 3. Clear? Is it simple? Fourth part. 7 upon 6 multiply 3 upon 14. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 1 multiply by 1 and 2 multiply by 2 in the denominator. So 1 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4. 1 upon 4. Is it visible? Fifth, 3 whole 3 upon 8 multiply 3 whole 6 upon 7. Okay. एक बार इस क्वेश्चन को बेटा बुक से मैच करो. क्वेश्चन में is there anything wrong in the question? Now 8 threes are, first we have to convert mixed fraction into improper. So 8 threes are 24, 24 plus 3, 27. So 27 upon 8 and 7 threes are 21, 21 plus 6, 27 upon 7. Fine. So can we reduce 27 and 7? No. Can we reduce 8 to 27? No. So what if we have to do 27 into 27 and 8 into 7? So what will be the answer? So the answer is 729 upon 56. Okay. Next question, simplify. Part 1, 2 upon 3 divided by 1 whole 1 upon 5. So in this question, we have to divide. Fine. So we will write 2 upon 3. Then change this divide sign into multiply. Okay, students. अभी multiply नहीं करेंगे, अभी divide का sign ही लगा रहने दो. First, we have to change this into improper. The 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6 upon 5. Now, 2 upon 3. Then, divide का sign को हम multiply में change करेंगे. And when we will change the sign of divide into multiply, we have to reciprocate this fraction. Reciprocate means न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर बना दो और डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर. तो 5 upon 6. Okay, it was 6 upon 5, but we will write 5 upon 6. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 1 into 5 upon 3 into 3. So this is 5 upon 9. Okay. Two fours are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 upon 2 divided by 4 upon 9. Fine. Now what you have to do first, write 9 upon 2, then change the sign of divide into multiply and reciprocate the last fraction. So it is 4 upon 9, but we'll write 9 upon 4. So 9 nines are 81 and 2 fours are 8. This is the answer. Okay. Third question. 1 divided by 2 upon 5. Now I want each and everyone to solve this question. So 1 upon 1, then multiply, and we will write it 5 upon 2. Fine. So 5 ones are 5 and 2 ones are 2. So the answer is 5 upon 2. Fourth part, 4 upon 9 divided by 9 upon 4. 4 upon 9 divided by 4 upon 9. So write this 4 upon 9 multiply 9 upon 4. Okay. 9 ones are 9. 9 9 cancel. 4 4 cancel. You will get 1 1 1 1. So 1 into 1 upon 1 into 1 is 1 upon 1. And 1 upon 1 is what? 1. Fifth, 2 whole 1 upon 3 divided by 1 whole 3 upon 4. So first we will convert the mixed fraction into improper. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 upon 3 divided by 4 ones are 4 plus 3. 7. 7 upon 4. Now write the first fraction as it is, then change the sign of divide into multiply and reciprocate it. 3 upon 7. Okay, this is 4. I have written it 3. This is actually 4. So I'm writing it 4. And here also this is 4. Okay. Now 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 7 cancel. You will get 1 into 4 upon 3 into 1. It is equal to 4 upon 3. So this is your answer. Okay. Next. Question 3 says simplify part 1. 1 upon 4 of 2 whole 2 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 5. Of means multiply. Whenever you are studying, whenever you are taking online classes, take a copy and a pen with you and keep writing whatever I am solving on the screen. Okay. So fifth, 2 whole 1 upon 4 divided by 2 upon 7 of 1 whole 1 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 3. This is the question. Of means, students, of means what? Multiply. So we'll write 2 whole 1 upon 4 divide 2 upon 7 multiply 1 whole 1 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 3. Now change this mixed fraction to improper. 4 to the 8 plus 1 9, 9 upon 4, and then change this sign, divide sign, into multiply and reciprocate this. 2 upon 7, write 7 upon 2 multiply 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4, 4 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. Now we have to check in cross if we can reduce anything. Yes, 4 4 cancel, and 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay, and 3 ones are 3, this 3 cancel. Finally 2 2 cancel. So what is left? Only 7. This is the answer. Okay. So question 4 part 1, 5 minus 8 upon 11, or I can write it like this: 8 upon 11, 8 upon 11 minus 3 whole 3 upon 11. Fine. So what I'm going to do is change this mixed fraction into improper and take 1 in the denominator of 5. So 5 upon 1 minus 8 upon 11 minus 11 threes are 33, 33 plus 3 36, 36 upon 11. Okay. Now what I will do next, 5 upon 1 minus, take the LCM of 11, 8 minus 36. Now students, what is 8 minus 36? Tell me. So we'll write it 5 upon 1 minus 28 upon 11. So it will be minus minus, this minus and this minus becomes plus. So 5 upon 1 plus 28 upon 11. Now what is the LCM of 1 and 11? What is the LCM of 1 and 11? 11. So 11 fives are plus 28 into 1. Fine. So what will be the answer? 11 fives are what? 55 plus 28 ones are 28 upon 11, 83 upon 11. This is the answer. Check this answer if this is. So we are left with 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. Question 3. 2 whole 1 upon 3 divided by 6 whole 1 upon 2 plus 3 whole 3 upon 4. Okay. So according to the BODMAS rule, we have to solve first whatever inside the bracket is. So we have to solve this portion first. But we can change all the mixed fraction into improper. So 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3 divide 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 2 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 15 upon 4. Is it clear? I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, very good. Jatin, 7 upon 3 divided by, what is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4. So when we'll divide 4 by 2, we'll get 2. So 13 into 2 plus 4 ones are 4, so 15 into 1. 7 upon 3 divide 13 into 2 is what? 26 plus 15 upon 4. Student, 7 upon 3 divided by, what is the sum of 26 and 15? 41. Okay, 41 upon 4. Now students, what I'm going to do is 7 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 41. अब ये मत कहना कि सर 4 upon 41 कहाँ से आ गया भाई। जब आप डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज करोगे तो आप इसको रेसिप्रोकेट करोगे ना, 41 upon 4 को लिखोगे 4 upon 41, isn't it? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया। ओके, देखो फिर से देखो यार, यहाँ से देखो, ठीक है, यहाँ से फर्स्ट एलसीएम लिया 2 and 4 का 4। ओके, नाउ 2 2 सा 4, 2 आया तो 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 13 से, तो 13 इंटू 2 लिख दिया है, प्लस 4 1 सा 4, 1 आया, 1 को 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 15 इंटू 1 लिख दिया है। नाउ 7 अपॉन 3 डिवाइड, नहीं समझ आया तो बता रहे हैं ना, ध्यान से देखो अजीमा। 7 upon 3 divided by 13 into 2 is what? 13 2s are 26. Fine. And 15 ones are 15 upon 4. Now, what is the sum of 26 and 15? 41. 41 upon 4. Now, finally, यहाँ तक आपके समझ में आ गया होगा। Okay. So, what I have done, 41 upon 4. अभी क्या है, इस डिवाइड के साइन को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज करोगे और जैसे ही डिवाइड का साइन मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज किया जाता है उसके नेक्स्ट वाला फ्रैक्शन रेसिप्रोकेट करना जरूरी होता है। तो आई हैव रिटन 4 अपॉन 41 फाइनली। सो वी कैन नॉट रिड्यूस एनी नंबर इन क्रॉस, क्योंकि neither 7 can be reduced with 41 nor 3 can be reduced with 4. Okay, so 7 4s and 3 into 41. Now tell me the answer. Now tell me the answer fast. 28 upon 123. Check this answer in the answer sheet. Bracket. Okay. So students, what is the LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 3s are 6, 3. Multiply 1 2 3, 3 1s are 3, plus 3 2s are 6. 2 multiply 2 to 1, so 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now divide. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? What is the LCM of 4 and 6? Tell me fast. 12. Okay, 12. So 4 3s are 12. 3 you will get 3 multiply by 1, 3. And not plus, it's minus. Sorry, it's minus. 6 2s are 12. 2 will be multiplied to 1. 2 1s are 2. Clear? So this is now 5 upon 6. Divide. This is 1 upon 12, students. Now what I have done, write 5 upon 6 as it is and change divide sign into multiply and reciprocate this. So this is 1 upon 12, you will write 12 upon 1. Okay, now 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 5 into 2, 1 into 1 in denominator. So 5 2s are 10, 10 upon 1, which means 10. Okay, because upon में 1 नहीं लिखा जाता है, तो आपका जो फाइनल आंसर होगा वो 10 होगा। हाँ बेटा, मैंने पढ़ाया था लेकिन अभी आपको फिर से रिवाइज करना है। ओके, shall I explain the second part or you will do in your copy? Shall I explain the second part? You want me to explain? Okay. So I'm gonna explain the second part also. We are left with 3 minutes. Let's try to solve this question within 3 minutes. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आप रोज का काम रोज कर रहे होगे। देखो, अगर आपने वर्क डेली बेसिस पे नहीं किया तो यू आर गोइंग टू लेफ्ट विद लॉट ऑफ वर्क। आपको पता होगा कि आप के 10 मार्क्स जो हैं वो कॉपी के हैं अगर आपने वर्क किया है। और इससे पहले फर्स्ट यूटी का वर्क जिन्होंने भेज दिया था मुझे, फर्स्ट यूटी का जो वर्क था मैथ का या किसी भी सब्जेक्ट का, अगर आपने टीचर्स को भेज दिया है तो यू विल बी गिवन विद 10 मार्क्स। ओके, देखो 10 मार्क्स का आपका पेपर था, हर एग्जाम आपका 10 मार्क्स का था और 10 मार्क्स कॉपी के थे, तो टोटल 20 हो गए। तो अगर किसी ने एग्जाम दिया और उसने कॉपी वर्क सेंड नहीं किया तो वो 10 मार्क्स उसके डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे, उसके रिस्पॉन्सिबल आप खुद होंगे। ओके, so that is why I'm saying that keep completing your work, do your work daily basis, okay, on daily basis. So now 24 upon 35 divided by 6 upon 7, 6 upon 7, and then plus 5 upon 9 multiply 3 upon 4. So first write 24 upon 35, then change the sign of divide into multiply and reciprocate this fraction. Write 7 upon 6 plus 5 upon 9 multiply 3 upon 4. First we have to solve inside the bracket. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So what is left? 4 upon 5. Okay, this 4 and this 5, 4 upon 5. And 1 into 1 is not written, plus 5 upon 9 multiply 3 upon 4. Now take the LCM of 5 and 9. LCM of 5 and 9 is what? 45. So 5 nines are 45. 9 will be multiplied to 4, 36. And 9 fives are 45. 5 will be multiplied by 5. So 5 fives are 25. Multiply by 3 by 4. Now add 36 plus 25.